Hey guys, welcome back to this tutorial video where we will show you how to run two MetaTrader 4 platforms on the same VPS from the same broker. But the question is, why would you want to do this? Well, there are various reasons, such as running two separate trading accounts with different strategies. Maybe you'll be managing multiple expert advisors or robots, or just simply keeping your trading activities organized. Well, that's it guys, and let's get started. Now there will be step-by-step guide, so just listen guys for the steps. And this would be steps 1 to 8 or 9. Let's check it out. Steps 1 to 9. So for step 1, you need to connect to your VPS. The first step is to just connect it to your VPS. You should have received the login details from your VPS provider. If you haven't set up your VPS yet, be sure to do that before you proceed. Now this is my VPS account, as you can see over here. Now I've already logged in mine. So for step number 2, the question is you need to install the MetaTrader 4. Now before you install it, you need to download the installer on their website. So this is their website, as you can see over here. This is blazemarkets.com and /platforms. Once you are there, just click for MT4 for desktop if you want for desktop, but if you want for iOS, you can download it, and maybe for also Android, just download it. Now for this, we will download it for MT4 for desktop. Just click download. It will prompt you to save the folder. Now since I've already downloaded mine, so this is my Blaze Market platform. So the step number 2 is to install the MetaTrader 4. Now once you just need to double click the installer, and it will prompt you to this terminal. So just click next, and it will just download it, and just keep on processing until it will finish. Just wait guys. Okay, that's done. Now just click finish, and it will automatically open the terminal or the MT4 platform for the first account, or for the first MT4 platform. So that would be our step number 3. We've already opened the first MT4, and we can typically just find it on the desktop, or it will automatically open it. That's it. I've already got a demo account. Now so the question is how to install this second MT4 platform. So you just need to click the installer, and after that, this is the risky part over. This is the part where you want to listen. This is the settings. So where do you want to put the folder? You just need to put it to another folder, so it will open to another platform, so to another MT4. So just click browse, and once you on the browse, you just need to click program files and make a new folder. For make a new folder, you just need to, maybe we'll just name it an MT4 second account. Second account. Okay, just click OK, and once done, just click next, and after that, we'll wait it for it to finish. Okay, that's done. Now once done guys, it will automatically open the platform, the MT4 platform. Okay, that's it. We have another platform. As you can see over here, this is the first platform that we've created, and this is the second platform that we've to Blaze Markets account on the VPS. This is number 1, and this is number 2. So as you can see over here. Okay, now the question is, where can we find the folder, or for each one? What if the other platform just closed, or the first platform it will close? How to do that? So just click the Windows, and on the Blaze Markets MT4, just right click and click more for open file location. Now remember, we've named the second account for MT4 second account, and for the other one is the original where it will install the place market. So for the this is the first account. So once the first account just closed, you can click this part over here for the Blaze Market. Now for the second account, you can find it on where we install it or where we put the folder. Now for that part, for the second account, we've put on the program files times 86 at the over here, MC4 second account. So once the second account close, you can just click the terminal so it will open. Now the question is, running multiple simultaneously, we can really both run simultaneously on the VPS. Each operates independently. It will allow you to manage different accounts or strategies without any interference. Now, another question, I'll just get it back. Why you might need multiple MT4? Well, as mentioned earlier, there are several reasons why you might need multiple MT4 on the same VPS. For example, you might want to run different trading strategies on separate accounts. You need to maybe you are segregate your trading activities, or maybe you can keep specifics configurations for each account. It will really run on two, guys. So running two MT4 on the same VPS can really provide you with the flexibility and control you need for your trading activities. It's very valuable tool, especially if you are managing multiple accounts or strategies, and it will really just very good, guys, if you have already set up your two MT4 accounts. So thank you for watching, and I really hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, just feel free to reach out. And happy trading, guys, and may your investment be ever in your favor. Thank you.